do you know what day it is today? Do you know what day it is? It's Earth Day. Tell everybody it's Earth Day. Yeah. So what should we do for Earth Day? What should we do, everybody? Should we create something special for Earth Day? Do you think so? Okay. So we're going to create a special project today for Earth Day. So Oliver and I have a paper plate and just some crayons. This is a very simple Earth Day fun project to go on our pretty art gallery wall that we have created in my dining room, which is on everything that I do now for Zoom and stuff. So that's great. Gives a little jazz into my dining room. Okay. So what I want you to do is to be very loosey-goosey, free form, have fun with it, okay? And I have green, and my green is gonna be what? My green is gonna be the land. And I'm just gonna tell you now, because I'm doing it right now, coloring on a plate is not the easiest, especially this kind of plate. This is not quite paper, it's actually recycled paper. So it's a little harder to color on. So just do the best you can. Also notice, I didn't really try to make the United States the best I could because it's just for fun. And we'll jazz it up a little at the end. So I make one little state, and then with the United States, with North America, you have South America attached to it. So we'll pretend like that's South America with a strong emphasis on pretend. And as we're coloring it, we can think about all the things that we could do to help our planet. We can recycle. You know, one thing that we're doing a lot right now in our family is we're walking more. So that means we're not using our cars as much. So walking and not using your car means you're not polluting as much with gas and other things. So that's good. So now I'm going to do Europe. A very shoddy Europe, but that's okay. Very rough Europe, but that's all right. Now we'll put a little peak down here. All right. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little black outline up here for some ice caps, and down here for Antarctica, the North and South Poles. And then I'm going to give it some blue for our oceans. What's something else you could do to help save your planet besides recycle and maybe walk? Oh, good. I heard someone say plant trees. Yes, definitely plant trees. We're going to do that in our home. Once everything's a little better, we're going to do some landscaping, get some new bushes and trees. You can maybe grow some of your own fruits and vegetables. You could bring your own reusable bags to the grocery store, which, remember, Mr. McD forgot his the one day, and then all of a sudden it broke all over the sidewalk, which was a big sad thing. He didn't recycle, and he had his groceries all over the sidewalk. So then you're getting your water going, and you have your polar ice caps, and you got your Antarctica and all that. And I have two different colored greens, so I might color that in, just give it a little definition. I don't know why my voice went up, but it did. As you can see, Oliver is a super big helper during all of this. Typical dog. I do all the hard work, and Oliver just sits there and looks pretty. Right, Oliver? Right? I thought you were going to help me. Oh, you're gonna help hang it up? Okay. He said he wants it when it's done. Typical Oliver. Oh, you can't color because he has no thumbs, he said. Alright, well. That's a true statement. Alright. And then what I do, finished up with my oceans, and I got one more thing I want to do. And you can take your time, you can do whatever colors you want. Just be creative. I'd love to see it when you're finished. I'm not going to do this today, but if you really want to be creative, well, I can do a little bit. You can put some land masses in there, maybe some mountains, maybe something that looks like a river. Yeah, put some things over here, something over here. Put a little river here. There, over there. And then the last thing I'm going to do, just to make it super fun, then sign it, and there you go. A fun little Earth Day Earth made by me for Oliver, apparently. But please send me a picture or a video of you making your Earth on a paper plate. I chose a recyclable paper plate. If you don't have one, that's okay. But just something fun for you to do. I'm gonna put it on our picture wall for all you to see later on. But another fun little art day with Mr. McD and Oliver. There you go. Oh, he says not enough color. Very picky. All right, see you soon. Bye.